Hey YouTube, it's your girl lasheavibez coming into you with the August 2022 curl box. This is the first time that you're coming across my channel. Welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back and thanks so much for all of your support. If you're not familiar with curl box, well, curl box is a monthly subscription where you pay $25 a month. It's $5 shipping. I live in the state of Georgia, so I do pay a little bit of tax on that, and you receive a hair care. It's a hair care curated box that usually includes between 5 to 7 hair care products that makes for a great wash day. I will leave the curl box link below. It is a monthly subscription. I do also offer what they call non-subscription boxes if you do not want the monthly reoccurring billing commitment. In each curl box you receive this cue card. Always has a beautiful model on the front, and for the August Palmer box it's called Glorious. You also receive a curl box cue card. It says welcome curl friend, and you can post pictures or tag or do an unboxing on Instagram and tag them. Receive a total 7 products. Out of those products, one of those does include a travel pack. Look how gorgeous she is. And it just gives you the details of the products that's included. The 7 products, I use a total of 4 of the products. I will be posting the other 3 to Poshmark, so be sure to check out my Poshmark link after this video if you're interested in checking those products out, or check out my Poshmark closet just to see what the other hair care products that I have on there to offer. Okay, moving into the product review, the first product that I did use, and when I seen the Palmer's product, I was just like, oh, I just feel like that I have reviewed the Palmer's line before, and I remember I have another video of Palmer's, and I'll leave that linked in cards and also below. They offered another Palmer's box, and it was a new brand, and then I believe I had a non-subscription, so when I seen Palmer's I was just like, oh, okay, it was all right. I was like, it's okay, but I was expecting something else. But this one is the Palmer's Olive Oil Shine Therapy Shampoo. Comes in a 3.5 fluid ounce. It's paraben free, all that good stuff. 100% cold pressed extra virgin olive oil. Let me read you some information on the shampoo. It's a sulfate-free, color-safe, removes build-up, creamy, rich shampoo. No harsh detergent stripping or tangling. Gently lifts away dirt, oil, and build-up. Leaves strands perfectly prepared for conditioning. Committed to responsible sourcing. Okay, coming to you with the August 2022. Always at the beginning of my videos, I talk fast. It's that East Coast energy, and I always mess up the curl box year for some reason. Palmer's is the new olive oil formula with vitamin E Shine Therapy Shampoo. It's a Jamaican black castor oil. For some reason, I feel like I've tried this before. I know curl box has offered Palmer's previously and a few other boxes, so it just seemed really familiar. But this is a Shine Therapy shampoo. It's perfectly nourished, dull, frizzy hair and dry scalp to maximize fullness and improve manageability and irresistibly soft and shiny curls. I love Jamaican black castor oil. Sulfate free, color safe, removes buildup, free of parabens, lithiums, mineral oil, and gluten. So looks like that. This is a 13.5. Smells really nice. It actually smells like a lotion. White and creamy in color. Let's see how the application goes. Oh, it's kind of thin. Feels kind of going on. I love the leather. It seemed like it would be a lot thicker, but it goes on really thin. Like it looks a lot creamier and thicker than the application. I'll rinse this out and come back and we'll see what the hair feels like after I rinse it out. I mean, I used a generous amount of this on the hair. It didn't really do anything for me. I do like the smell of it. It actually smells like a lotion. Really, it's creamy in texture, but when you apply it, it applied very thin. It looks creamy, but when you apply it to the hair, it applied and felt extremely thin. So I used that, but when I came out of it, my hair, it didn't do anything to it. Felt a little dry and a little stripped. So I use that, and then I followed up with the conditioner, the Shine Therapy conditioner. Jamaica has a Jamaican black castor oil. We're fresh out of the shampoo, and the hair's okay. Not really hydrated, not stripped. It's just subpar. It's okay. Now we're going to move into the Shine Therapy conditioner. It's 100% cold press, extra virgin olive oil with Jamaican black castor oil, sulfate-free essentials, perfectly nourished dull frizzy hair and dry scalp to maximize fullness and improve manageability for irresistible soft and shiny hair. It says new look. This one is also white and thick color. Let's see how that goes on. That's nice. Again, it looks a lot thicker, but when you apply it, it feels really thin. But I love the smell. Yeah, that feels good. I'm going to rinse out the conditioner and come back and let you know how the hair feels after that. Let me read you some of the information on the conditioner. Conditioner is a sulfate-free, fullness, detangles, color-safe, rich, creamy conditioner. It was extremely creamy, and I love how it felt. My hair really was eating up the moisture on this, so I really love how it felt on the hair. It preserves hydration and soothes follicles, leaves hair full, soft, incredibly shiny, committed to responsible sourcing. So I really, this is going to be my favorite product out of the 4 that I did try. Again, these they have like a lotion smell, but look how creamy this is. And this was really nice, this conditioner, because the shampoo was a little stripping on the hair, so the conditioner really helped and even out the hair, made the hair feel more balanced and not as dry and stripped. So I did appreciate that. And then I moved into, we had either a serum or a leave-in conditioner, and I started to use a serum because I really like serums, but I went ahead and did the leave-in conditioner from the Shine Therapy. The next item I'm going to move in with is the leave-in. The hair is freshly detangled and conditioned. Feels really soft. I really like that conditioner. Next, we're going to move into the leave-in. That's part of the Shine Therapy leave-in. It also has Jamaican black castor oil. It is said to effectively moisturize extremely dry hair and scalp experiencing dullness and frizz, with maximizing fullness and improving manageability, leaving hair irresistibly soft and shiny. So we're going to give this a shot. This box also came with the serum. For some reason I didn't see the leave-in the first time. And it has the pump. It's like a cream. Look at that. I'm going to base the hair with that. I did get a request. If you didn't check out my last curl box hair review, was for the Eating Body Works. I'll leave that linked above in the cards. I had a request on that YouTube video to do a braid out and do my ever faithful rod set, because I'm more about the health of the hair. I do change my hairstyles a lot, and that's where the creative part of me comes in. But as far as styling my own hair, I would have to wear my hair out more to really master twist outs and braid outs. But she asked for a braid out, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to do a braid out with my ever faithful rod set. I can never go, my rods at the end, I can never go wrong with that. But this leave-in feels okay. Actually, Palmer really surprises me. I've tried it before and I was really shocked. So, but I never know how, even while I'm actually reviewing the products, I get my true resolution is going to respond once it dries. That's what tells me everything I need to know. And it's a spray pump. Has a spray on it. And when you spray it out, it looks a little hot, thick, but it's kind of cream texture. It's a little thick than just a solid spray, so it did go on a little thick. I used a generous amount of that, and I also detangled the hair. Then I went in with the leave-in conditioner. Additional information on the leave-in is a sulfate-free, instantly eliminates knots and tangles, softens and smooths strands, minimizes frizz, improves comb through and manageability, provides long-lasting nourishment to hair and scalp, leaves hair full, soft, incredibly shiny, and committed to responsible sourcing. Looks like that. And this is a 8.5 fluid ounce. Again, it was okay. Nothing really stood out to me on this. Then when I started thinking, I'm like, I probably should have used the serum, but I used this. And then I followed up. Now this was extremely shocking to me. It is the Shine Therapy Grow Therapy with black Jamaican castor oil. Let me read you some of the information on this. This is a conditioning hair dress. Adds incredible shine and softness, locks and hydration to help minimize breakage, nourishes and softens hair for easy comb through, perfect for daily use, and relieve tight, itchy scalp, free of parabens, palathins, mineral oils, and gluten. The next item we're moving into is the moisturizer. This is part of the Shine Therapy Grow Therapy with the Jamaican black castor oil. Neatly packaged. And this is said to system perfectly nourishes dull hair, frizzy hair, and dry scalp. Seems like frizzy hair, dry scalp is the theme for this hairline. Let's see. It has a cap on it. Oh, this is green. That's interesting. Let me see. Feels like grease. Look at that. Looks like a grease. So I'm going to part the hair, and then we're going to do a braid out. I'm going to do my part here. That's interesting. Let me see what that smells like. It smells like grease. This looks just like grease, and it smells like grease. This feels like grease. That old school blue grease, but it was in blue. Smell and everything. That's crazy. Alright, we're going to do a braid out. I should have probably had some shorter nails. Look how long my hair is getting. I think I really started doing videos maybe almost 2 years ago, where I went and got a haircut and kind of just started over. I'll link that video above. My hair has done a massive growth spurt, and to me my hair manages better when I'm constantly in it every week. Yes, when I put my hair up, yes, it grows, but to me it flourishes and looks healthier when I'm actually styling it and treating it. Okay, the next couple clips y'all come back with the final results. Now what I can say about this looks like, I was shocked when I seen how green it is, and it smells just like that blue grease we all used to use. Blue or green grease. It smells like a grease to me. Okay, these are the results. I did end up doing a braid out. Shout out to the last commenter on my last video. I'll leave that link where I had reviewed the July 2022 curl box, and they wanted to see my hair in a braid out. So I did braid the hair out, and I used the rods on the end. I really like it, but it feels a little weighed down. I think I used too much of this based on the texture of it. And I see where they're saying you can use this every day. I would never use this every day unless my hair was slicked back. That's how thick and, like, you know, grease like it is. It's like grease. It's like grease. It feels like, remind me of grease. I wasn't too crazy about that. That was a little bit shocking for me. So out of all the 4 products that I use, the only one that I would probably really repurchase or even grab to reuse, I'm going to try to use all the products, but would be the conditioner was my favorite out of this box. Now what I'm going to do is things that I didn't use that will go to Poshmark. I'll be adding the Shine Therapy Conditioning Hair and Scalp. It's spray bottled, has a Jamaican black castor oil. It's a system perfectly nourishes dull, frizzy hair and dry scalp to maximize fullness and improve manageability. Let me see what else it's saying. Okay, it says it instantly nourishes and conditions, soothes and stimulates scalp, moisturizes hair and scalp, improves shine and manageability, free of parabens, lithiums, mineral oil, and gluten. Committed to responsible sourcing. So that'll go to Poshmark. It's going to be a bundle. I'm also going to add the Strong Root Scalp Serum. It has a Jamaican black castor oil, hyaluronic, and amino acids. It stimulates hair and scalp to support healthy growth and visible thickness. Looks like it's a drop bottle, a tear drop bottle. I'm not going to open it because I'm going to put it to Poshmark. Other details on the serum is it relieves scalp itch, perfect for dry, itchy scalp, and protective style maintenance. Balances pH of scalp to invigorate hair growth and boost circulation. Delivers essential ingredients to support healthy hair growth and visibly thicker and fuller hair. Okay, it looks like this. Probably has a top. I'm not going to open it because I don't want to expose it to air because it will go to Poshmark. But yes, and that's new as well. You'll see the little new emblem. Last but not least, I usually keep these for travel. This is a deep conditioning pack, but I'm included in the bundle. The deep conditioning pack is sulfate-free, intense hydration treatment, recovers extreme dry hair and scalp while minimizing frizz, soothes and stimulates dry, itchy scalp, soothes rough or damaged hair, cuticles, improves shine and manageability. It's free of parabens, phthalate, mineral oil, glutens, and also committed to responsible sourcing. Okay, so there's that one. Okay, so these three, if you're interested, will all be as a bundle on my Poshmark closet in the link below. So be sure to check that out. If this is something that you're not interested in, just check out my Poshmark closet and see if there's something else that you may find of interest. For the results of a braid out, I did get the request from a commenter on my previous curl box video. I'll leave that video linked in cards, but these are the results, and I do like it. I mean, my hair looks really hydrated and shiny, but everyday use, it felt a little weighed down. When I was taking it out, it really felt like weighed down. I think I used too much based on the texture because, like I mentioned, this feels like a standard hair grease. This moisturizer feels like this growth therapy feels like a hair grease. I definitely probably wouldn't use this every day, maybe every 2 to 3 days as the hair looks drier. But if you received curl box or tried any of these products, please leave your comments below and let me know how they worked out for you. What did you feel about the growth therapy? As always, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you check out my Poshmark closet and follow my link below on TikTok, and I'll catch you in my next video.